Welcome to Analytics with Nags. We're going to see about how to format measures or columns in SSAS tabular model. You may ever we can create some columns or measures, or for the existing columns you need to format some kind of settings, right? It can be 1,000 separator, or you need to have 2 decimal places. So some kind of formatting you need to do. So where that option exists, that's what we are going to see in this video. If you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button right now to learn the concepts in SSAS. Let's jump into a demo. Now we are in SSAS, like we have already familiar with all these things, relationship and different tables available. We already created some of the measures. Like here you can see here a sales amount without having any formatting, like whatever the data available here, that has the calculations we have done, it is depicting the actual value. So sometimes we need only the 2 decimal places, and after for 1,000 separator should be there. So in this 982, after this you need to have a comma like 1,000 separator, right? So these kind of formattings you can apply either for the measures as well as for the columns. Like over here, even here there is no formatting applied. Here you can see like it is applied as rupees, Indian rupees. It can be changed to different currencies as well. So these formattings even for the date columns, right? So let us try to see it where that option available. So when you right click on it, the options won't be available even when you click on the column. The option is to get the properties of this column is like you need to press F4. So the properties window will be appearing here, right? When you click on a column or measure, then F4. That will give you the properties option. Then here you can see the general. Usually the formatting will be general. Now for this, what I want to do is I want 2 decimal places and 1,000 separator. For that, go to the format option, then choose decimal number. Whole number means it will be rounded off, and then you choose show 1,000 separator, right? False to true. So now you can see the difference between these two, which is not formatted, the tax amount not formatted. Here you can see the formatted option, 2, 93, 58, 6777. So like this it will get formatted. So this is fine for the measures or numerical values. So sometimes you want to choose something like currency kind of thing, right? You can choose different currencies as well. Now it is chosen as Indian rupees, and it can be like some other euro currency as well. So like this also you can able to choose for the column level. Okay, so these are different properties or formatting options. I quickly want to show one more column, like say for example, here instead of showing 3, 7, 20, 10, I want to show it as a month, right? 7, that is 4th of June or July, okay? 4th of July, 5th of July, something like that. Or just we will try to create a maximum value from this, then we will try to write it, okay? So max date. So as you can ever write, we need to put semicolon equals to give the name of the measure. I'm going to get maximum of full alternative date key. So whichever is having maximum. This will give me 31/12/2014, that is the latest date. So instead of showing it as like this, I want like December 2014, something like that. No need to show the date. So for that, click on that column, go to general, make that data type as date. Then after that you will get the option to format. Here date format, what format you want. So you can choose over here. So this is what I want. So December 2014. So this is so useful. Even you can use custom formatting, like over here. I mean, there are different custom formatting available. So those functions also you can use. So now you can see custom, instead of 333, I can choose MM YYY, something like that. So December 3-digit character, and you will get the actual value. Maybe it's not coming, so just it's just like that. Okay, you can define properly so that the corresponding data will appear. Now let's see what was here earlier. Then same thing we can replicate. So it should be hyphen or somewhere small y. So for capital letters, the for year you need to mention it with the small y, like this. Okay, that is why the custom format doesn't work. That's absolutely fine. You can play around it to get your measures or columns formatted respectively. If you like this video, share and subscribe to the channel if you are new to this channel, and comment below for your queries. Do remember that data is your asset.